Hi, my name's Ian from Best Electric Radiators, and we're taking a look at the new Slimline Curve radiator. Now, this is our newest model, and it's something that's been based upon the original Slimline Digital. Now, if you've been on the website and you've looked at that, you'll know that that's actually our best-selling radiator. In fact, we sold over 25,000 of them. So what we decided to do was to take each element of it and make it just that bit better, to end up with a radiator that is cheap to run, better to look at, and easier to use. Now, just to explain in a little bit more detail what we mean by those statements, why is it cheaper to run? Well, the Slimline Curve here uses something called intelligent heat management. So what that's doing is constantly monitoring the temperature within the room and using only just enough energy to top up the heat, so you're not wasting a single unit of electricity. It also uses something that is called open window technology. Now that sounds a bit funny, but in essence what it means is that it's monitoring the temperature, and if it notices a sudden drop because you've opened a window or maybe a door, then it's going to cut the power usage so you don't end up trying to heat the whole street. The other thing that it's doing is making sure by using both radiant and convection heat that you're getting a nice even temperature throughout the room. Now you'll see that this is a pretty good looking radiator. It's in fact the UK's slimmest radiator. It's only 51 millimeters in depth. So it means it's not going to stick out into the room. You can mount it on a wall. And in fact, because it has angled planes just down here, just out of sight there, what that means is the heat is coming out into the room. So you can put it against some nice wallpaper, paint, wood, you name it, any surface, and you're not going to have to worry about this being damaged. You're not going to get any discoloration of your paint or wallpaper. Now, it's incredibly easy to fit on the wall. When it arrives, it just comes in a box with a cable, and using the guides, you can put a couple of brackets in place and literally pop it on there, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Now, programming is incredibly straightforward. There are some built-in programs from some of the most common scenarios, but if you've got particular requirements, you want it just to come on particular days, particular times, then it's incredibly easy to program. Now, I mentioned that we can put it on a wall, but we can also put it on some freestanding legs. So if you want to use it in a room that just needs a temporary heating solution, then that's absolutely fine too. Now, we're so confident of the quality of the materials used here. We offer a 2-year warranty on the electrical components and 10 years on everything else. And unlike many internet companies, we'd like to hear from our customers. So if when it arrives, you want to be talked through how to program it, how to put it on the wall, etc., then please feel free, give us a call. One of our heating team will happily talk you through it. So that's our Slimline Curve. If you check our Trustpilot ratings, you'll see the fantastic feedback we've been getting about this model. So if you want to go onto the website, there's plenty more information there. Or if you'd like to talk it through, then please do give us a call.